Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wonder how devices like security cameras, VIP phones, or wireless access points get power without a traditional power outlet? This amazing technology sends both data and electrical power over a single network cable, simplifying installations and saving costs. But how is it regulated here in Canada? Let's dive into what the Canadian Electrical Code, or CEC, has to say about it. First up, let's talk standards and classes. The CEC aligns with international standards, specifically IEEE 800 2.3. This standard defines different PO types from Type 1 up to Type 4, which can deliver from about 13 watts all the way up to 71 watts to your devices. The CEC classifies these systems as Class 2 or Class 3 power-limited circuits, depending on the power levels involved. This classification is super important because it dictates the wiring and installation rules we need to follow to ensure everything is safe. So, what about the cables themselves? Section 16 of the CEC lays out the rules. For PO, you need to use twisted pair communication cables that are specifically listed for this purpose, like Cat5e, CAT6, or CAT6A. The code is very clear. The cables must be suitable for the amount of current they will be carrying. If you bundle too many cables together, they can overheat, which is a serious fire hazard. To prevent this, the CEC provides tables that specify the maximum number of cables you can bundle together based on their gauge and the current they carry. So, always check your cable specs and the code. When it comes to installation, the rules are pretty straightforward but crucial. Just like any other wiring, PO cables must be installed in a neat and workmanlike manner. They need to be properly supported and protected from any physical damage. If you're running them through plenums, those spaces used for air circulation in buildings, you must use plenum-rated cables, which have a special fire-resistant jacket. This is a critical safety measure to prevent the spread of fire and smoke. A PO is everywhere in Canada. Think about it. Our offices use it for IP phones and access points. Retail stores power their point-of-sale systems and security cameras with it. Even smart home devices like smart lighting and doorbells are jumping on the PO train. It's an efficient and flexible solution that's changing how we power our digital world. And thanks to the Canadian Electrical Code, we can be sure it's being done safely and reliably. So there you have it. A quick look at PO in the Canadian Electrical Code. It's a powerful technology with a solid set of rules to keep us safe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.